Hey guys, 01 of 1 here. I'm going to be starting a new project in Minecraft, and it's going to be pretty freaking massive. So I thought I would just give a little start here and show you guys what I'm doing. So you probably recognize this. This is one single set of memory and the addressing for it. This one in particular is set to all zeros. I've got 8 different address lines right here, so that means I'm going to be able to put 256 different memory locations in here. And for the program that I am going to be running, I'm going to build an ALU that's capable of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then I'll eventually put on other stuff like a GPU and stuff like that. But I need to have 16 bits inside the memory. So that's what all these are right here. It's a lot. So, I mean, you pretty much know how most of this works from my other videos, but I did actually change this memory around a little bit. The old type, there was a delay on every single one. That's just because of the way that the wiring was on the bottom. So I switched it around on the bottom and then made it work on the top. So now we've got all of our reading and writing. Red is read, green is write. So it goes over here and then it just slides up onto each one of these little memory locations from the bottom, and then we just have one repeater for every 4 memory locations. This is still the same. If it is addressed correctly, it goes down to here onto this double latch right here, which then allows the signal to go through. It works through inversion, so this is actually off right now. We have our write signal going up right here and our read signal going up right here. So this is what it's actually at. So you can see these are both off right now. The memory is stored on that repeater right there, and then it goes through onto this side, and then based on if the read is lit up or not, then it'll actually send the data through up onto the line. And then when you're writing, it pulls the data off the line down over here. As you can see, it's still, 3 wide, and you can stack them right next to each other, so that'll help to save space. You can see that all of these are currently holding data right now, so I'm actually going to reset everything. So we don't want to read, we do want to write, so we are going to put that on there real quick, and we'll take and fly over here, and you can see that all of our memory is now no longer stored. So if we go over here and we read it real quick, you're not going to get anything up on the data lines because there's nothing to put up on the data lines. Let's see, shut that off. We're going to alternate each other one, and then we're going to write that data into the memory. Oh, and while I'm doing this, I'm using free screen to video again. There's been an issue where the what's it called? It's like a 640 by 480, but Minecraft plays in a widescreen, so I switched to the widescreen setting, and we'll see how that works, or if it does work, or whatever. Alright, so we've got all that set up. Now we're going to write. So that should be good. Now we're going to go ahead and shut all of this off. Sorry for the glitching, but that's what happens when you're trying to record 30 frames per second along with playing a game. Okay, so as you can see, all the data is off, and so now we are going to read directly from the data, and we will see if it got stored correctly. So we'll throw that over there. Now as you can see, every other one is on, which is exactly what I said. So there you go, this is the start. I can build 256 of these, but that's going to take up a lot of space, so I might limit it, but the capability is at 256. We'll see how many lines of code I need to do multiplication and division. Division is probably going to be the hardest one. So there you go, quick little introduction. I'll update this as I go, and hopefully I'll actually get this one done. Alright, this is 0101 signing off, and I hope you guys have a good day.